All right, guys. Next up is the 2017 Pyrostar Moons 72 shot large aerial finale set. All right, let's dip off in here. Again, if you've seen that demo, you already know these are off the chain. I wish I got two and I would put a demo in the sky. I still might just take one of them and let it off. I don't know, maybe tomorrow if it's not raining. All right, let's crack it open. It's looking pretty in the box. You ain't have to light it. All right. This one here is Titan. And hopefully I get close enough with this barcode. Maybe you guys could do something with it. 12 shots, multi effects, 25 seconds, straight up, finale. The Titan. Look at the performances. It's one thing I do like about them. You know exactly what you're getting. So you can really time your show out and do exactly what you wanted to do when you want to do it. All right. Next up, Calypso. All right. Oh, can't be having the box falling over now. Telesto. Telegesto. It is Telesto. Red stars, the white glitter, neon purple stars, glowing green glitter, blood red and glowing green neon blue stars, loud bang with every shot, built-in rapid fire finale. That's what I'm talking about. Telesto. Down here. Check out this one. We got here. The Atlas. Right. Next up, Pandora. beast, Europa. Europa. And those are the 6 moons from Pyrostar, 2017. Europa, Pandora, Atlas, Celestial, Calypso, and Titan.